Mark finally made his way to the North Woods, and he's going to take hopefully one last ride on his skidoo formula. And that probably is going to be it for the year, because we had 2 feet of snow about 2 days ago, and it has since diminished to mud.
Mainly mud.
Mud.
Yeah. One last little hoorah, I think, before we're done. But
yeah, so he's just gonna get on his monkey one last time. And at least it's not 0 degrees out, and it's not 70. It's like 35. So
yesterday it was 70 though.
Yeah, it was.
Ate the snow.
So yeah, unfortunately, you can see this once was covered with snow, and now it's dirt. So we have muck boots on today. Still rocking the Extra Auto, guys. The camera, really liking it so far. It's been holding up good. Definitely enjoy the quality of the microphone, and look forward to videos with this camera. We'll be doing more vlog style stuff, and when we go to some of the swap meets, we'll definitely bring it along. Possibly an auction coming up next month. You guys saw we did a video last year, I believe, at the auction. I'm sure we'll try to go back again this year and hopefully buy some more junk. With that being said, we'll get the 583 started up here, get Mark on the snow. I do actually like riding down there a little better, just because it seems like it's not as soft.
Yeah.
You go out in the backfield,
it's
straight water.
Mush.
We might be able to actually beat it, though. It might actually beat the snow out in the middle, and it might start getting where the bare spots are, because mine's got studs, so all of a sudden it's track spin, hooks up. Track spin, hooks up.
It catches real
and it's insane. Like, it pulls you right backwards, so super thrilled. Hopefully we get one more ride in yet today, and then I'll have my itch completely out of me.
Wetter than the cheapest hooker at the bar, boys.
380, the Formula Z, and the Exciter are gonna go back out for one more ride. And then we'll be good and wet, and we'll have it out of our systems. Yeah, that 380 is definitely using all of its HP today. We'll be right back on this episode of Foot Gas and Sleds.
Foot Gas and Sleds. on.
Boys, we're finally done for the year, I think.
Yeah.
Unless it would mysteriously get cold again.
May snowstorms or April.
You never know. As weird as the weather's been.
Right.
We might actually be snowmobiling, not jet skiing next time.
We pretty much were today, though.
Yeah, we were.
I mean, pretty much.
That's good.
Definitely a Speedo would have been a better attire.
Yeah. I didn't get the rip when it was fresh. It's definitely not fresh now, but we got the itch out. I'm wet. I'm not super cold. I could be colder. I am soaked.
Yes, he is.
Head to toe. But no, it was really good. Really good. Could have been better, but you win some, you lose some. It's the end of March. Not a whole lot we can do. But I'm impressed.
Oh, insane.
Ditch pickling.
What do you think, buddy? What's your thoughts?
I feel bad for the sleds, honestly. You know,
Dude,
all that mud to snow and then you herky-jerky and... Yeah, those belts, my belt's definitely not.
I could smell belt on even the Formula. I could smell belt a little bit.
Oh, it's just...
But,
It's a rough ride.
yeah, I think your 380 has had, like, in the last 72 hours, probably like 6 straight hours of beating.
Oh, yeah.
And
Yeah,
water.
it's been on cloud 9.
Like, wide open throttle for days.
And you will never get that sound any time of the year where you're in a puddle and it goes wee. Greatest
right.
sound. Greatest sound.
You can hear it. So the crazy thing is, like, you have the screaming loud 583, and then there's Caleb behind him. Whoa, he's going though, but it's just whoa.
I'm just sitting there jockeying that thing. Come on.
Yeah, come on, a little faster.
Come on, Seabiscuit.
And you get on this thing, and it's just endless R's.
Yeah. Oh, it just rips.
It is crazy, dude.
Best ditch pickle.
Hot dogging.
Yeah, dude's hot dogging it.
Got a hot dog.
Well, I can tell you, he was hot dogging it, and he almost went through the neighbor's yard. So
Yeah. No, I was in the neighbor's field, almost to the creek.
yeah,
You'll
you'll
have
have that.
Yeah, I was like, man, you should probably slow down a little sooner than that.
He didn't slow down until after the mound, dude, at like 70.
Well, I thought I'd catch the grass there. But
Oh, no.
I,
Oh,
you
I
caught
slid and I just dragged water.
Thankfully, that
all over.
fence is not there anymore, I don't think.
No, we'd be tangled.
That'll about do it. I'm wet. Caleb's wet. Mark's wet. We pretty much got our itches out. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed the season of riding and the racing.
We're going to be ready for next year, boys.
Well, the thing is, we have the facility. And that damn bird, if you quit cackling at me.
I have a solution.
Okay. Dinner time. Alrighty. Well, let us know what you guys want to see for projects in the upcoming months. And we will be seeing you in the next video.